How to fix bug in Gmail on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix bug in Gmail on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Gmail and then click force stop, and now go to storage, clear cache, and after that just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now it means that you need to restart your phone and then go to Play Store and check if there's any update here, and that's it. Then just go back and try again, and don't forget to restart your phone. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.